Hello everyone, myself Amit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. So in this video, we are work on GitHub. So first we are creating our account on GitHub. So just type GitHub and then open link for creating your new account. So just click on sign up and just create a new account. You don't have any account, so first we are creating our account. So first we are they ask you to Gmail. So just I write Amit Patel 2023 my mail ID and then click on continue. So then they will give you to the next process password. They ask you to password, then continue to the then you create a new password. You just write a strong password for authentication your account. I write my password. So my password is done, is strong, and then I am writing my enter a username. Then I just type amit.work. This is not available, so then I will change this to Amit Patel work. To type in and then continue. They just start a puzzle for the authentication. You are a user of human. So just click on to identical option. Second puzzle, just click on to identical option and then so after completing these puzzles, we are just click on. So after completing this puzzle, we are just click on to the continue button and then we are seeing the our account is created. So this just want to enter code. This is will give you to the Gmail. So just to open your Gmail ID, Gmail account and copy to the code. So our code is this and we are copy this and then paste to the enter code. Then click to the button and then do just ask some questions. They are just from the me and then name of the student and then continue. So this is about process to be done, and then we don't have any with some specification features. So just click on continue. So this we want only a free account. We don't have any paid information in our account. So our account is created. You can see when the dashboard is also initializing. So our dashboard is open. Then we are going to our update profile option. So we are updating our profile like some profile picture, name and all. So open your profile. So you are opening our profile. This is our profile. We don't have any picture. So we are just uploading our picture first. Upload a photo. I'm uploading my picture. Okay, the photo is uploaded and then just write my name in the name. So I'm putting and then just ask to bio and all and all. So this is all and then update profile. That's it. Our profile is created, then next we are checking our profile and then open our profile and then just create a new repository for uploading the file to the GitHub with the help of some query. So our repository is created with the name of repository import file. So this is available. Okay. So we are just editing public. We don't have any readme file, so just creating a repository button. Okay. So our repository is created and we are creating our new folder. Its name is import file. Then opening the VS Code and then just creating our index files. So our index file is created with code and then index.html and then just write a code of HTML. So this is the boilerplate and just heading HTML. So our heading name is my name is Anu Patel. Okay, then just we are creating new HTML, sorry, CSS file, style.css, and then just we are uploading these files to the GitHub with the help of some query. So we don't write any code in the CSS, just uploading to the GitHub. So okay, we open the terminal and copy these queries to the GitHub. We open GitHub, copy these lines. So first we are get.image sorry, get in it, and then just add the get git dot git add dot. Okay, then just first commit, copy this line and paste on this terminal. So first commit is done, and then just we are git branch and minus n main. Copy this and just paste on the terminal, and then our URL is this for the particular repository. Paste this. And last one is git push your code to the GitHub repository. So copy this repository, sorry, query and paste on this. So our uploading is, I don't know, just good. So our files, some errors are occurred. So first, you again push the files with this function. Then you can see our files is imported. Then check to the GitHub account. So go to the GitHub account and just refresh your account. Okay, you can see the repository is finally imported on the particular import file repository. So thank you everyone. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment the video.